Alright, so we made it out to the Guadalupe River. This is actually the first time fly fishing, other than the day we practiced. So we only practiced that one time. We're just back out here now, so it's gonna be fun. We're just eating real quick, eating a donut real quick.
Eating donuts and get ready, more energy.
Look at that view here, though. We suiting up, Daddy?
Huh?
We suiting up? Alright, I don't know about the suit up here. Can't do it with one hand, so I'll be right back. Taking a mini break, getting some snacks and water. First hour so far was just really tossing some of this out here, get practice. No bites. I don't think anyone else has a bite yet, but it's fun. What do you guys think so far? Fun?
Yeah. New experience.
Yeah, and learning. But there's no luck yet. We're gonna actually try going down the other side. We were on.
Big morning, that's it. We see. We see if we got any luck home.
And get one. Look at that. Alright, so we are done with the fishing. We didn't get anything, not even a single bite, but I did get a lot of practice in, and it was a lot of fun. It was definitely getting really hot. It's almost like 80 right now outside, so not an ideal fishing temperature per se, especially when you're in that suit. But it was a lot of fun. The water was actually pretty cold still, so we were just like fishing in like just basic t-shirts. But the thing was, like, I didn't see a single fish in there, but apparently like just where everyone was at in the little pool, there was a bunch of fish there. So I'm not sure like where the fish are hiding at, and especially this is like the first time fishing out here, so we don't know the location really. So well, anyways, next time we'll get them.